people. We'll just do a short video here to put on YouTube, my channel. Like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Just here a short video. When you guys have door panels in fiberglass, and you know it's very stressful that you have in a speaker pod, and every time you're gonna take out the speaker in and out, your wood thread can get ruined, and then your speaker can start falling off by bass, ground pounding, opening and closing the doors. But the solution for that, you can buy flange threaded inserts. They are 832. You can use an hexagonal point. It's 532 the size of it, and you can purchase stainless steel bolts like that one. These are the size of it, 832 by 1. You can see in the back. The Allen said you had to use for this is 532 is the size. This can focus. Focus. Oh, you guys cannot see the flash that's not letting it appear on screen, but it's a 532. It's a 332 Allen wrench, 332. Pardon me for the error. After you drill a 1/4 inch drill bit and the 764 bit, if I'm not mistaken, just by comparing the drill bit next to the threaded insert, the outside of the housing, you can know what type of bit to use. Use drill. You drill. You can do a padded hole too for best centering when you put the speaker on. Just put a drop inside the thread of the insert. Any type of glue, you can use wood glue, 3M glue, adhesive. Then you just put it inside the hole. Then with a screwdriver, you start putting it in, because if you use a drill, it can be too strong and it can ruin the axle head of your point. It messed up in the threaded insert. After it's finished, that is the finished product. You can see here, put on the screw in, use a 332 Allen wrench, like I was saying here. No, still doesn't want to focus. But I'll leave you that video there, people. Like, subscribe, comment below, and I appreciate you guys viewing my short video tutorial of installing speakers and fiberglass door pods. And you don't want the hassle, the headache, or finding your speaker falling out from the door because it got busted inside the wood. The screw lost off his thread in the wood and doesn't grab. With the thread insert flange, the 832 and the 832 screw, stainless steel 1 inch, you can resolve that problem. Okay, people, God bless, take care, peace, and bye bye.